We've got sitting here, sit and stay. We've got Blitz and Blitz's mom here with us, and we decided to pull the two of them in here and just chat quickly. Blitz is a jaar oud, né?
Yes.
It's a year old German short-haired pointer, and one of the craziest drives. You know, we all know these dogs. They're great hunting dogs. So it's a big, full of energy dog in our house, and Tamir worked with mom with him, and he's done a brilliant job with Blitz. Maar sê gou vir ons, van waar het jy gekom? Waar was jy met Blitz?
Ja, ek dink hy het my oor aangesit nou, pun intended. Ek dink hy het my 'n bietjie gemanipuleer en hy het net, dit was baie hond. Ons het gesê, hy is baie hond en ek sukkel om hom te hanteer. Tot op 'n sekere stadium het ek goed gedoen en toe was dit moeilik.
Ja, en hoeveel kinders gee gou vir my?
Ja,
3 in die pot,
3 kinders, 11, 8 en 6, ja.
En om vir 'n 6-jarige laaitjie te verduidelik.
Ja.
Ons moenie die hond die hele tyd laat speel nie, is 'n challenge. So die rede hoekom ons nou hier sit vandag is nou is ons op 'n punt met Blitz waar Marie lead het en Blitz verstaan struktuur. So struktuur, training is sit, links draai, regs draai, kom, bly en ons Blitz het daai deel nie in die huis gehad nie.
Ja.
So ons moes aan ma se struktuur in die huis gewerk het om beter balans in die huis te kry, want as jy nie jou hond in jou huis kan beheer nie, dan kan jy nie verwag om jou hond buite te beheer.
Ja.
So wanneer dit kom by structure items, is wat was die moeilikste ding as ek dit nou so sê om te leer van die hele ding, van wat is die verskil in jou approach met Blitz nou towards jou approach met Blitz voor die tyd?
Ja, ons wou ons hond in die huis hê en maar dit was ook moeilik want hy is 'n high drive hond. So om hom nou meer buite te hê en as hy binne is hy op sy kussing. Of as hy nie op sy kussing is nie, is hy buite en as hy stout is hy hok. En nou is hy overall net beter en ek dink hy verstaan sy plek in die huis nou.
Ja, en kan jy kan braai. Jy kan mense oorkry. Your dog can succeed in your household.
Ja.
Huh? What do you feel about that, Tamir?
No, look, I mean, when Blitz came to us, he was a lot of dog. And firstly, I have to congratulate you. Well done. Okay? He was a lot of dog, a high drive dog, and mom has a family with young kids, and that added to the energy level of the dog. And I think in order to just pull him in a little bit, we needed to focus a lot on structure and what we call raising the dog correctly. I think a lot of people put huge focus on training the dog, which consists of basic commands like sit, stay, and down. But in his case, we needed to focus on raising him and adding the correct structure for the household. You've come a long way. You've really done an amazing job. So well done. I'm glad you're getting to enjoy him in the house.
I've got a high drive husband as well, so that's part of the problem.
And the thing now is that it's that nice balance, where if we sit and we're talking and we're comfortable, you can see Blitz is here, but he's with his mom.
Yeah.
And he understands ownership and he understands leadership. So van my kant af ook, well done, Blitzie. Dusty is trots op jou en ek seker om dan weer baie trots op hom. So good results.
Ek wou dit nie sonder julle gedoen het nie. Dit is reg, ek was baie emosioneel partykeer hier aangekom en dit was partykeer 'n sielkundige sessie. En ons was op die punt om hom amper weg te gegee het en toe doen ons die krasie en dit het regtig ons lewe verander. Regtig, baie dankie.
Pleasure. Enige tyd. Well done, man. Trots op jou.